This meal says comfort food to me. It's the classic tomato soup and grilled cheese combination, but it's made for us grown-ups. Nobody serves up grilled cheese like our favorite chipper chef, Lindsey Joy Smith, who was singing during the commercial break, so we know it's going to be a good time in the kitchen.
I'm in a good mood. I'm cooking.
She was belting it out while she was slicing these onions.
On key.
On tune, in key, all of it. What are grown-ups going to love about this particular grilled cheese?
Just high quality ingredients is going to yield a high quality product. I think often when we think grilled cheese and tomato soup, we're pulling out the Wonder Bread, we're pulling out the processed cheese and opening up a can and then you don't even put milk in it, you put water. It's just so sad.
She's just beside herself.
Just sad.
So this is all made from scratch then?
It can be all made from scratch. I'm showing you how to do it in an easy, fabulous, delicious way.
Of course you are.
So,
of course.
I mean, to tackle raw tomatoes, that's cool. We can do that some other time, but not today. Okay, so tomato soup, super easy. Half a tomato, half an onion, full onion, just chopped up like this.
Okay.
Some garlic, couple cloves in there.
That's what I'm smelling.
Right, so we've got
I did a garlic chicken last night for dinner,
broth.
and I feel like I'm still smelling that. So I maybe need to lighten it up on the garlic for this dish.
Nope, that's just good stuff.
Okay.
So we've got 1.5 cups of chicken broth, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes.
All right.
So yum, yum, yum. I'm spilling everywhere.
That was 3 yums.
Yes, 3 yums. Italian seasonings, about a tablespoon, and then some red pepper flakes, because we can.
You just make your own.
Right.
You're not reaching for that.
And so now what
cans.
we're looking at is this is regular tomato soup, and it's going to taste good, and it's going to make us happy. But we don't want to make regular tomato soup. We're going for creamy, amazing, delicious tomato soup.
That's what I'm going for. That's what I'm here for.
So you'd saute the onions a little bit better than I just did, but combine all those ingredients, and now comes the superstar.
What is the superstar? Who is the superstar?
Sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil.
Hello, sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil.
Look at how happy they are.
Are they happy?
Oh, now they're even happier.
Well, in they go.
So boom. So that's going to go in there. And then the final secret weapon of the best tomato soup ever.
Sorry, we'll go back, rewind.
Yes.
Did you just buy those in the bottle? Or did
buy
you
those
do
in a bottle.
Oh.
No, buy those in a bottle. That's what I'm saying. This can be done like so fast and easy.
Yeah.
Because we love grilled cheese tomato soup because it's fast.
Right.
We can still do it relatively fast and have it be incredible instead of a little bit disappointing.
I cut you off. You were about to introduce the next star ingredient.
The next star ingredient is a friend that I like to call cream cheese.
Hello, cream cheese.
So what you're going to do is once this has been simmering for about 20 minutes, we're going to take about half a brick of cream cheese.
You know you've got Blake Robinson, trainer extraordinaire, looking over our shoulder,
and then we're going to pop it in there.
Right? Did you just notice that? Do you feel his judging eyes?
I feel it, but the thing is he's going to taste it, and he's going to be like, I'll run another mile for this.
He's not going to care. Okay, proceed.
Right, so here we go. Okay, so this is going to, we'll stir this up. If you want to blitz it, you can with like a handheld blender, get it all mushy and delicious, consistent, or you can just do chunks.
So there's your cream and your flavor.
Yes, creamy, delicious tomato soup. Out of this world.
Let's get to my favorite part.
And fast and easy. Okay.
The grilled cheese.
Now, grilled cheese. So, like I said, sometimes you got to start with high quality bread.
Okay.
Sometimes you're like grabbing crummy bread and you're like, oh, I'm just going to go do grilled cheese.
Right.
Ditch that mentality. You're better than that.
It's gone. We have kicked it to the curb. We are.
So I've got,
we are better than that.
I've got
Tell
really
yourself
good
that as you
garlic
butter this
Parmesan bread.
Okay.
One of my favorites. Just grab it at Costco.
Parmesan bread.
Yeah. It's Parmesan crusted on top.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, count me in.
Yes.
Okay, next thing is often people butter their bread on the outside. I'm a big fan of butter, but we're going to ditch the butter for today.
What? You can't ditch the butter. It's
I'm
grilled
ditching
cheese.
the butter in favor of mayonnaise, and not just regular mayonnaise. You can put mayonnaise on the outside. We're going to do some flavored mayos. So this is mayo pesto. Will you give me a help?
Yes, I would love to.
Stir that guy up right there.
Yep.
Boom. We're going to do some
mayo pesto. There's more.
Mayo Dijon chunky.
Oh.
Count me in.
I'm so busy. I'm so busy.
I know. It's okay. It's worth the effort. This is pepperoncinis with cilantro.
We have mayo options?
We have mayo options. We're taking it to another level.
Yes, we are. This could be a grilled cheese bar. This could be a little party.
Your kids are going to come to the table and they're going to be like, oh, this is kick awesome.
This is what?
Kick awesome.
Yeah, it is. I don't know what that means.
You're about to taste what it means.
Okay.
And then roasted garlic, which is just a best friend of mine. So this is 350 in the oven. Chop off the head. And so they're exposed.
How long in the oven?
Salt and pepper, about half an hour.
Oh.
You forget it, and then everybody comes home and they're like, why does the house smell like garlic? Mom's up to something.
That's kick awesome.
Yes, and even better, they slide out.
Oh.
Like they just...
It's like they were meant to be roasted.
Diving. They're diving into the bowl.
Go, little one.
They're so happy.
Go.
So happy. And when you roast them, they got a sweetness to them.
Oh, okay.
So boom, done.
And what is the garlic for?
More mayo.
Oh, bring on the mayo.
Yeah,
like avert your eyes. Avert your eyes.
Okay,
it's
this
fine.
should be with a fork, but we're just going to pretend that we did it not with a fork. Okay.
Okay.
So now we've got our bread, we've got our mayo ready to go, and Another trick that I learned makes us even happier is using cheese, but making it into a paste. Because sometimes when you sprinkle cheese on, then you transfer it to the pan, and then it gets all over, and then you're sad because there isn't cheese right on the very edge.
Yeah, you need it in every bite.
I'm a little bit particular. Okay,
now,
so I've got.
When you say cheese paste, I think of Cheese Whiz.
Okay, so don't do that.
Okay.
Don't do that. Actually, don't ever do that.
Okay.
That is for apocalyptic stuff. If a zombie is coming to you and you don't have a weapon,
okay,
just
I'm sorry.
spray
I
them
repent.
with Cheese Whiz.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Done. Okay, so this is a white cheddar I have right here. And then you're going to want a soft cheese. So we've got brie, but I'm going to use some more of my friend the cream cheese because that'll get us a delicious
Hello
paste.
again.
Right.
So that's going to give it the pasty consistency.
Yes. And as far as time, this is not taking that long.
No?
Right? This is fast and easy. And even better than that, it's just going to be absolutely delicious.
I mean, if you ask my producer, we're a little over time, so she might disagree with us, but
yeah,
it's
we'll
worth
give her
it.
some. We'll let her have a taste.
She's going to appreciate it when she's biting into this grilled cheese, right?
So you work this guy together. You get it on the table. It's okay.
So we're spreading the pesto on the outside or the inside?
So spread it. So outside.
Outside. Outside.
Outside. And I'm going to put a paste right here.
Okay, cheese paste.
Cheese crumbled paste.
Look, we're on fast forward now.
Everything about this is a good idea.
Yep. I agree.
So boom, that's going to go on there. And then we put it in our pan.
Lindsay,
and then
she did it.
And then
she grew up our grilled cheese in front of our eyes. We love you.
Pesto mayo.
Look for the recipes on our website for the pesto mayo, grilled cheese, and the awesome tomato soup that will knock your socks off. Kick awesome are the words. Hey, what classes do you have coming up?
So we've got, now's a good time to book a holiday gift cooking class. Oh. You're going off to college. Surprise! You get to go with your friends to a cooking class by the Chipper Chef.
That's a great idea. They'll have fun, they'll learn, they won't starve at college. We'll link you over to the Chipper Chef's website from our website. Just hit up the recipe page at studio5.ksl.com. You'll not only get the recipe, but awesome details about Lindsay's awesome classes. Thank you so much.